Hello, and welcome to another update video on Solana. So I just want to make very clear that I am not broadly bearish here for Solana. As you know, I'm still watching for another high, even though this pullback is getting deep, but it could still be, for example, a 1-2 AB setup. In our yellow scenario, we've been tracking this for quite some time. Wave 1 up, wave 2 down, and then A, B. So far, this B wave has found support in the area that I shared yesterday, the blue support zone. Now, I didn't only share it yesterday, we put it onto the chart a couple of weeks ago, between $150 to $160 exactly there, by the way. But I still treat this as a not so relevant support area. The more relevant one is below, between $138 and $117. So overall, at this point, I have no evidence that a larger degree a substantial top has formed that would take us to a new bear market low, even though, of course, it's possible. I mean, I have to say this move to the upside that we have seen from the April low, it is not, nothing here is really impulsive. Yeah. My preference is still, though, that this here was a flat correction. This wave 4 was a flat correction. The concern I have is with the structure afterwards, because it really is a 3-wave move up. But the move to the downside also looks somewhat corrective, and we're still holding support levels. Yeah. So I'm not, as I said, I'm not broadly bearish here. I would still prefer another high. But obviously at the same time, I haven't got any evidence that support is holding. Well, I just told you support seems to hold for now. It does. But what I want to highlight here is I haven't got any local upside confirmation, uptrend confirmation. What do we need to see? Well, if you know, what I really need to see here on the daily chart, I need to see a break above $189. This is the last swing high. If we break above it, I think we could be really setting up for a rally to $300 plus. But I need to see a 5-wave move at least above this level. On a very local level, I think it's the $166 level that needs to be broken. If you want to find out more about the microstructures, just before this video, I uploaded a video on X explaining the microstructures, which we need to see to confirm a local upside reversal. Check it out. I put the link into the comment section. That gives you the detailed wave structure about the micro counts. That should help those of you who are really interested in the nanostructures. Here on the larger time frame, you know, we can form a low here at any point. I really don't want it to break below $117.41. Yeah, I mean, we're now in the zone where I'd be watching for a reversal to the upside, because it is a 3-wave move down. You know, we've come close to the golden ratio level. We've hit our first support area around the August low. But without any break above micro resistance or the $189 level, it's too early to say. I mean, what we see down there is exactly what we want to see for a reversal, but it's just too early to say that it's turning around. Okay. Also, I have to say that this move to the downside, I mean, I'm tracking that as an ABC structure, which could technically easily get another low. If we've bottomed already, it would probably be some kind of a weird combination of a WXY structure, and that is highly speculative. These often don't hold. So at this point, I have limited confidence in an upside reversal. The bulls are trying, absolutely, but I just want to make it very clear that I haven't got any upside reversal confirmation yet. No resistance is broken, but that I am not broadly bearish yet, because we are still holding, at the moment at least, above the relevant levels that keep a bullish structure alive. So it's important to understand what those nanostructures tell us, what the micro resistance is, what we need to see. And it's important to understand that if we bottom now, it would be a very speculative bottoming structure. While we have reached support levels and everything is good, you know, we haven't broken any critical supports, the structure to the downside still looks somewhat incomplete. But if we break above resistances, then I would start to watch for higher prices in the very short term. Yeah. So let's be very clear. The daily chart still supports a rally to all-time highs. The smaller time frame needs to give us a setup for it. That's the update on Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then make sure to check out our X channel for additional charts, updates, and so on. As you can see, there are some videos that they're not uploaded on YouTube, so check it out, and then you stay informed. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.